Hello everybody, this is Sonya. Now I'm here today because I've got to do the draw for my giveaway. So I've written down, cut everybody's name in here. Okay, so the person who is the winner for this, a good idea if I show you who the winner is. Bonnie and Clive. Bonnie and Clive has won that. Thank you very much for entering in my competition. I don't think I've even answered your question yet, Bonnie. So, I'll have to put this here. Here we go. Right, so let's have another one. Let's have another one just for fun. What do you reckon? Okay, I'll just find somebody else and I can send somebody else one. Okay, thank you. And the winner for this one is Second Chance Creations. Krista Neal, Second Chance Krista. Oh yeah. Hey, that's really good. That's really good that you won my prizes. Okay, so now I wanted to go and answer a couple more questions that we had. Just might set myself up in the chair a bit better. So I'll write this on the piece of paper that Bonnie won that one. Bonnie's got it. And this one's second. That's really weird that says that second on there and a Second Creations. Okay, so thank you everybody for entering and asking me the questions. And I will be sending these out to you tomorrow because if I can get these people's addresses. Bonnie's in Australia. I don't know if Krista is or not, an Aussie one. So this is first person. Part 1 and part 2, second. And that's weird, but anyway, they've got second and second. Anyway, so I was going to write down what the questions were, and I thought, oh, I can't do that. I've just written out all these names now. So let's just go and have a look and see what... Okay, what have I done here to my computer now? That's not good. I've got all this blued out. I better fix this. So sorry, I'm just going on here. I'm going to read what my what the rest of the questions were that I didn't get to answer. That's not the right video. What have I done here? I'm sorry, I won't be a second. I'll find the right videos. My giveaway, where is it? Okay, here. Right. Okay, so Bonnie, I didn't answer yours yet either because it's up here and it says, wow, Sonya, 8,000 subbies, what a milestone. I really love seeing our Aussie channels grow. I'll do a VR and I always hit the like button when watching videos. My question is, if you ever watch one YouTube channel for the rest of your life, what channel would that be and why? Oh dear. I have got no idea. I've got no idea whatsoever if I did that. I don't know what I'd do. Oh, Bonnie, that's really hard to answer that. Something... Oh, I really like a lot of them. I really do like a lot of channels. Wendy Mason always puts up a really interesting... what's the name? Doesn't she, you know, videos on all different sorts of things, so... Yeah. Anyway, so I'll just have to leave that there because there's heaps I would watch. But we'll say, and Amy, who is Aljon, I'd watch. Yeah, okay, so I'd watch hers too. You know, so I can't pick one. I could not pick one. It's just going to be too hard because I'll just be thinking. Now I'm just sitting there rolling down. Well, I've got find another question, and this is from Mary Barrett. And I haven't answered this one here. She's written a lot of things, and she said she's relatively new to the channel. And I read this the other day. And she asked me if there was one day in my life that I would change, what day would that be? I could not tell you that. There's no way I could answer that. So then I got another question, which would be, who would you like most to have afternoon tea with, as like, and a celebrity can be male or female celebrity, and I'd be too scared to really have anything to do with anybody. I know. It doesn't matter if they're a celebrity or not. Can they be a celebrity? A hero to me. Let me see. Who would be my hero? Oh, I don't know. Oh, goodness me. Mine's gone blank. Do I have a hero? Well, see, I have afternoon tea with my husband all the time. He probably is my film star, hero, heroine, me, anyone. She said, oh, her. Okay, Mary, I'll have afternoon tea with you. Okay. Yeah, that'd be nice. Or any one of my subscribers would be really nice, wouldn't it? Yes, it would be. Okay, so that was that one. And this one here is from Amanda Scott Burton. And Amanda's been on here and been one of my subscribers for a fair while. So she's written all this. Pieces of fabric. I can't see whether she's wrote me a question or not. She wrote me a question. I'd like to know what you like about making junk journals. Oh, I don't know, because you can put anything in it, but you can use everything. And I do love to do that. There's this stamping and there's fabric and there's paper and gluing and, you know, every bit. You can make flowers, you can do embellishments. The whole thing, I do love the whole thing because you can put anything in it, okay? Anything, Amanda. It's amazing. I just love doing that. And then there's one here from Nola Harris. I haven't answered that yet. The question is, how many children do you have and what are their ages? Okay, I have 3 children. I have a son and he is 40. I thought he was only 39, but he informed me the other day that he's 40. It's not good that I forgot that. I have a daughter and her name is Peggy. My son's name is Richard. My daughter's name is Peggy, and it's not short for, it wasn't Margaret to start with. People say that, but it was always just Peggy. And she is 29. She's 29. Okay, that's not good. And then there's the baby of the family, and that is Ellie, and she is 23. Lots of gaps in between them, but that's okay. And thank you, Nola. That was so I'll answer to that question. Congratulations. Where did I learn how did I learn it? I just learned it because this is from Crafting with Ivy. It says, how did you learn much crafting? Well, I just see something that I like and I thought, well, I'm going to learn to do that, and I just did that. I just went and did, you know, I learnt myself. I went and did courses in some things, but majority of the things I learnt myself, because when you do courses they don't teach you what you want to know a lot, I don't think, anyway. Okay, so this now is Cher Fisher, and she said to me, my question is, do you like tea, coffee or avocado dyeing paper or fabrics, and which is your favourite way? Well, I do like it. It's really hard for me to do because I can't stand up, you know, for a long time or anything, but I have done tea dyeing, and I really enjoy doing that. Fabric, I've put fabric into coffee, and I don't mind that. I'm not a big fan. I think the part about where it's messy, but I do have to do some more tea dyeing. I know that's for my papers. I need to do more papers. So thank you, Cher, for that. That's a nice question. And I know there's one right at the bottom, so I won't be a minute longer, I don't think. I can hear this one. Oh no, there's still this one here called From Foxy's Creations by Brenda Di Martino. I enjoy your videos so much. I appreciate that you share your talent and inspire me. I shared this on my page, and my question is, does Jeremy ever get involved in crafting? No. He knows a lot about what I'm talking about. Like I say, he knows the names of some fabrics, which is really cool, I suppose, and talks about different things he hears me talking about, but not to the degree that he's that interested. He tried to make a farm, miniature farm one time, and we never spoke so much in that week as what we had before, because we were helping. I was helping him with bits and pieces, but no, he doesn't get involved in my crafting. He enjoys, you know, he lets me do what I do, and he enjoys his garden and things like that, okay? And there, so thank you for that, Brenda. I think I might have called you Belinda, sorry. Okay, so now we're still going along here. I'm nearly to the bottom, I think. I'm thinking there was one last one there somewhere. Oh no, there's 3 actually. I think that's all though. Hi Sonya, great to have the 8,000 subbies. Merry Christmas. My question is, where do you buy your inks for stamping? I buy my inks off Craft Online in Australia. That's one word, Craft Online. That's the only place that I've bought inks from at all, you know. That's the place I get it. So I don't know where you are to buy yours, but I know you can get it off AliExpress and all different places, probably Amazon. Oh no, there's only one more question. If you could visit any country in the world, where would that be and why? This is from Adrian Strobel. I would go to the USA because I'd like to meet Amy Aljon. I would really love to meet her, and Becky, who is Aunt Beck's Creations, and I want to meet Roseanne. I think she's over there somewhere. I hope she's over there. Roxy Carr, I'd like to meet her. Probably never get anything done but talking, I suppose, but, and there'd be others too, I'm sure, over there. You know, there's lots of, I've got a bit of an idea where people live in what direction, but I'm not really, you know, and I'd really love to go and meet them people, but that's not going to ever happen unless you can just go like that and zap me there, because I couldn't travel that far. I couldn't do it. But anyway, we can keep in contact this way, can't we? So that's really good. So congratulations to Bonnie, and so that's off Bonnie and Clive. Clive is her cat. She has a nice cat too. And to Second Chance Creations, who is Krista, and that's Krista Needle. And I'll decide I would do 2 because I had a lot of people ask me a lot of questions, so I decided to do two draws. So thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later, okay? Bye-bye.